All right, here we go with 5th grade Excel lesson 34. We are going to continue learning about dividing one-digit divisors into three-digit dividends with a two-digit answer or a two-digit quotient, and we do have some regrouping and remainders. So here's our sample problem, and again they give you this kind of a complicated way of solving the problem that I think is going to lose most of you. So I'm just going to show you how we do this. As a reminder, we're going to put 3 into 10 since it doesn't go into 1, and 3 goes into 10. Oh, that's kind of light. Let's darken this up here a little bit. Why don't we go with blue today? All right, so 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And we're going to bring the 7 down. Woo! There we go. And so now we put 3 into 17. And 3 goes, whoa, having pen trouble here. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Uh-oh. Okay, 17 minus 15 is equal to 2, and so we get a remainder of 2. All right, hopefully that stops doing that crazy stuff on there, but let's move on to the next page. It says check each answer with multiplication, so don't forget to multiply your answer up here times the divisor. That's down here, and you should get the dividend when you multiply that together. So just as a reminder, 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down the 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. There's no remainder, and we don't write when there's no remainder. And then we did 123 times 2, which is 246. All right, since this is review, I'm going to go ahead and assume that you can at least take a shot at these problems. So why don't you do just number 2, pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Bring down the 3. Now we're doing 13 divided by 4. 4 goes into 13 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Then we bring the 8 down. 18 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. And that's our remainder because we have nothing else to bring down. All right, then we're going to multiply 234. And if you didn't do the multiplication yet, pause the video and do the multiplication, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see what the solution is. But we're going to do 234 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then we're going to add our remainder of 2 onto here, and that comes out to be 938, which is the same as that. All right, pause the video, try number 3, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. 7 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. I'm going to bring that 5 down. 35 divided by 7 is 5, because 5 times 7 is 35. And that goes in perfectly, as you can see. So we have no remainder. I'm going to check this by doing 15 times 7. And you should have done this already. Got 105, which matches up there. No remainder. Alrighty. So let's try 2 more problems. Go ahead and pause the video, do 4 and 5. Do those 2 and then turn on the video again when you're ready to see the solution. All right, 3 goes into 18 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. I'm going to bring down the 5. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And so you have a remainder of 2. Remember to check it. 61 times 3. And you get 183. We add our remainder and get 185, which is the same as that. Now you can see how quickly I can do these problems. I could even go much faster than that, but you can see that you know, when you practice these and you really know your times tables and you understand the 4 steps, the daddy, mommy, sister, brother, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, dead monkey smell bad. When you know those 4 steps and you practice these problems enough, these just become super easy and there's nothing tough about them. All right, 3 into 7, you should have already done this problem, goes 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 4. 14 divided by 3. That's 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Then we're going to bring down the 7. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And that's goes in evenly, so we can put the 27 minus 27 down there because 9 times 3 is 27. And then we're going to check it by doing 249 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. That would be 14. That would be 7. 747, just like the airplane. And there you have it. So thanks for watching.